Hello, you're welcome back to this training on how to create a WordPress website. My name remains Mildred Opara. I am still your host in this particular training. So, as you can see, we have our list before us. We've done about 6 from the list. We have installed WordPress website. That was the last video. So today we are going to be looking at how to add a theme, how to add a plugin, and how to add a widget. So let's go straight online to be able to do that. Okay, all right, I'm going to just go back to the dashboard. I'm already logged in because remember I've already told you, just to save time, I don't want to start logging in again. But whenever you come, just use the URL I gave you, your domain name /wp-admin. That is the WordPress admin dashboard. So you come to appearance here on the left side of your admin dashboard, click on themes, which is at the top. You click on themes, and then you will see installed themes. You see the installed themes, but because I have to show you how to install a theme, we are going to install a theme that is not already installed, so that you'll be able to understand the process of adding a theme or installing and activating a theme. Because I told you before now that the theme determines the look of your website. How your website looks is determined by the theme you install. So there are several themes you can choose from. You choose the one that appeals to you. Sometimes you see a theme very colorful like this one, and this one, and this one. It is when you install them. That is why you have a preview. You understand? You have a preview. You can click on live preview to see how it looks. It will look when people come to the site. Or better still, you try a new one. If it's not working, if you don't like the look, you change it. Go online, search for WordPress themes that you can use for any particular information, any particular website you are creating. If you want to create a blog for food, a food blog, or travel blog, or travel business website, music website, any business at all, school website, anything at all, you just search for WordPress themes, the best WordPress themes for anything you want to do, and they will pop up. You choose from the ones you like. Alright, so these are the themes that are already installed, but we are going to add new theme. If you want to search for themes that are already installed, you can. If the themes are many, you can actually type any of them that you remember their name here and find. But if you don't need any of the installed ones, you can just click on add new, which you are going to do that right now. We are adding a new theme. Okay, so alright, I click on search themes, and I'm going to, there is one theme in my mind, Graphene. So I'm going to add Graphene. I'm going to install it. This is Graphene. Okay, I use this sometime and it's very good. I still like it. This Graphene, I'm going to click on install. You click on install. It's still installing. And okay, so let's just be patient. Still installing. Yeah, it's still installing, so we just have to wait for some time. So that is why we are here. Alright, it's at install. Now you can see instead of install, it's showing activate. You click on activate. The moment that theme is activated, the other theme will no longer be here. Okay, this was the theme that was here, but this now is our theme. Let's look at how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so we have installed the theme successfully. This is our theme. Now you can see that there are no pages, no information yet. No information yet. So we are going to add information. The only thing that is there is upgrade concept that we added when we installed WordPress there in the previous video. So now we are going to go back to our dashboard. We have installed theme successfully. We are going to come back to customizing theme, but let us install plugins. Let's go install plugins. Okay, you have plugins here. When you click on plugin, you don't even need to click, just highlight, just point your cursor there, and you will see it will pop up what everything that is available there. Install plugins, add new. I'm going to click on add new because we want to add a new plugin. Alright, so we have some plugins here. Okay, we have some plugins here. This one is already active. This one is already active. Alright, so we have these ones are not installed. Look at what I'm looking for here. I want to install Jetpack. I just want to show you how you're going to use it because it has so many important features. It is a one in all plugin that you can use for several things. You understand? So I'm going to show you how to use it, install it, and use. So we are going to click on activate. Now Jetpack can give you social sharing. Okay, they say set up Jetpack. I already have a about 2 Jetpack accounts, so I'm going to be using one. This one, Grace Concept. I'm going to use one of it so that we can get what we are looking for. How we activate. Alright, Jetpack is activated already. Unlock more amazing features by connecting a user account. Okay, so I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is to continue to logging in with WordPress. You can use your Gmail account. Okay, I'm going to remove this because this is the admin email, but I'm not sure that is what I used. I think I used another email, Grace Concepts at gmail.com. Let me see if it's, I can't remember the email I used. Okay, but I think I used email.up as email. Let me just say email.up this. Okay, let's continue. Alright, it's correct. Email.up is the username. Okay, so I'm going to enter the password, which of course should be in my head. Okay, so alright, I'm logging in. If the login is successful, I'll be able to access my Jetpack account, or that anything I want to add to this site, I can do it. So alright, it's still connecting as email.admin at email.graceconcept. Okay, the email is admin at email.graceconcept. Alright, it says finish it up. Admin at email.graceconcept. Let's see how it goes. Just be patient, please, so we can get what we want to get from this training. Jetpack has a lot of features. If you have a Facebook page, you can create a Facebook page for your website, and Jetpack will give you a widget, which I'm going to do after this. Now we're going to install a widget, because with all these plugins that are installed, you can get widgets by the right side or by the left side of your team, depending on how you want to do it. So the network is a bit slow, but I pray we'll be able to open up so that we can complete this particular aspect of the training. Okay, still loading. It's so slow. I don't know why the network is slow. Still very slow. It has stopped loading, and there the page has not opened up. I guess I have to click again to reload it again. I don't know why it's not opening. Alright, okay. Alright, they're asking me to pay, but I have a free account and I'm not willing to pay anything right now. I just want to continue with my work. Jetpack free, start for free. So that is what I want to do. I don't want to pay. Okay. Alright, we are here at the Jetpack dashboard, so we are going to look at, okay, you'll be notified. And I told you, even if you have a, you can, if you see Jetpack install, if you activate monitoring your site to know when the site is down, when the site is up, you'll be able to get notification on that. But what I actually want to get right now is sharing. Very important. If you want to share, if you want to share your blog or your post, whether a blog or anything you post and you want it to be automatically shared to social networks, you activate this. Say publicize connections. Connect your website to the social media networks you use and share your content across it. So we are going to click on this to activate it. Okay. Then we also have sharing buttons, which is very important because social media also helps you to get people to your website to discover your business. So it's important. Then connect your social media accounts. You see, so I'm going to connect my Facebook page. I have several Facebook pages. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. Okay, I'm not going to. Okay, let me use another one so that, because I'm already using this one for my blog, so I will not be repeating one thing over again. Let me see. Okay, let me just use this email dog. Okay. Alright, this is the page for email, the link. So this is another of my page. Now you copy it, copy the link and go back to where we came from, Facebook. You can see the connections now. I'm connecting it to Facebook. Okay, let me just continue with Jesus Speaking Mind. Let me see if it's going to work out. Okay. Still the same. Let me just click on this. I don't want to waste too much time, guys, so I just hope that it will go. Okay, you see the Facebook account was successfully connected. That is all. So whenever you post, it will connect again. You understand? Whenever you post, it will just, whenever you publish something, it will just go, and people will be able to also share. People that visit your site will be able to share. You just follow the same process with your Twitter account, your LinkedIn, any other account you have. Just follow the same process and it's done. You understand? So I'm going to remove it because I don't want to enter into Facebook's trouble, so they don't block my account for using one page. I don't know, but let's just go back. So we are done with this. That is what I really want to show you. We also have sharing buttons. Sharing buttons are available, show, like, and sharing buttons on from page, archive, so when people come to your site, like Twitter. Now I put my Twitter name and all the other social media accounts. Just put your username there, then you save changes. That is all. You're done with the connections and social sharing. You'll be able to share. So we are done with that. Right now we have already installed this plugin, and we have other plugins. I have other plugins I've already installed, just like the one I showed you. So we are going to go to creating or working on our widgets. Okay, we are going to see how to work on widgets. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and reload. This way we are actually at WordPress.com site. So WordPress.com site, which is the jetpack took us, redirected us to another site. So we are done with that. So we are going to go back to this place and click on appearance again to get our widget set up. So we are going to set up widget. Okay, so this is the widget page. Okay, please, if you want to set up widgets, for make it easy for you, because I don't also like using the blog. There is a new method of adding widgets from WordPress, a new way of adding widget, but because it's not really easy for us to work with it, most of us that are web designers use the old one, which is the classic widget. So there is a classic widget. I already installed it. Look at it. There is classic widget. So classic widget is here. That is why we can see this, because if not for classic widget, it's a different interface altogether. But I already installed it, so I advise you install classic widget to be able to add widget to your right side of your website, or the left side, or even to the footer. So let's go ahead. We have already added some plugins, so let's see what happens. I'm just hoping that I will see. Okay, it's not yet there. Let me check why it's not there. Maybe perhaps I've not saved it, because okay, let's leave this and go to connections. Let's go to connections. I believe you have understood what I'm talking about. Let's go to connections and save what we started. It's already connected. I'm supposed to save it so that it can reflect on what you're actually doing right now, because we need that Facebook connect page. Okay, all right. Okay, there is no room for that. It's already updated. I'm supposed to see the Facebook page widget here. That's the issue now. Okay, but let's go back. Let me go back and then check it out again. Appearance widgets. We already have widgets here. Asking me widget is there. Widget is there. Let's check you see, this is the right sidebar. Now we are going. I don't need Aximen widget. We are going to add one or two widgets like categories. Very important. So it's either you drag it, and place it here. You see, and then you can give it a title if you like. But if you don't like it, just say, okay, how do you want to display it? Display it as drop down. You click it and save. You are done. Anything you post, if you create a category for your post, the categories will be showing there. Then we also have I think recent post. Yeah, recent post is another way. You can drag it, or you just click on it. Even if you click on it, it's the same thing. You see, you now add widget. You see, it has added. You see it, recent post. If you like, you write something, but if you don't like, just leave it. Anytime you create a new post, it will show up under recent post. So you just say display post date, and that's all. Okay, show desktop and on desktop and mobile, save. Okay, so that is it. Then if you want to, you can also add a text widget. You click on add widget. Okay, it's still on the left. Okay, this is, yeah, it's still on the right sidebar. Now what we do with text widget is, if you have an ebook, or you have something you want to share with people, maybe for them to subscribe to You just say, okay, like let me say you have an ebook. You say, download my ebook for free. Download my ebook. You see, and that's all. If you want to add an image for the ebook, you click on it. Add media, very important. You add media, then you click. This is an ebook now. You know, if you this one I already uploaded it. If you want to upload it, see, if it's not in the media library, you click on upload files. Take it to your system or your phone, and it will upload it here. Then you click on it and add it. Alternate text is very important. Search engines like Google don't see images, so alternate text is needed. Whatever be the title of your business online, just type what the search engines can see. So because I wrote about business here, or business ideas, I have to put business ideas, so that when people are searching for business ideas, this image can pop up, and whatever write-up that is there, it will show. So I say business idea, insert into post. I'm inserting it. Okay, it's done now. You can see it. You can write something about it if you like. You can write something around on below it, you know, and that is all. Then you click on save, whatever you want to write. Okay. All right. So that is it for how to install widgets. So we have done installing widgets. I wanted to actually show you how to create a Facebook page, but I've not seen it on Jetpack. Maybe perhaps they have removed it, I don't know, but I will still check if I'm able to get it. I will, before the end of this training, I will create a video on that. So but for now, this is all done. Okay, this is all done. This is all done. So click on done. Now let's go back to our site to see how far we have gone and how the site will look from the front end. Alright, you can see what we added. I don't know if you remember, we added categories. So when you want to search categories, all categories, if you put, for instance, a business site or business ideas, if I write about agro business, you know, I have categories. I create categories for agro business, buying and selling services, and all that, internet business or online business. They will fall under category. The moment if I click here, I will see all the categories here. I will just click on any of the categories, and the system will automatically search and bring out what I am looking for. All the posts that are under that particular category I click on will pop up. You see, so you can say I click on category. Look at now. See on categorize. All right. So that is that for this thing. Then we look at the recent post also. We added any new post that you post here now will appear here. That is how it works. Okay. Yes. Like if you're not creating a blog and you're creating a website, what you need to do is you create a page. I'm going to be showing you how to create pages. You know, these are pages that came with the site with WordPress. But we are going to go back and create more pages. Okay. Privacy policy is a default page. You can edit it the way you want to. Let's see all pages. Then I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay. This is a privacy policy page. It came with with WordPress. Every WordPress page has a privacy policy page. You can edit it to your own desire, the way you want it to be. Let me show you how it looks. You can edit it, and before you publish it, it will be as draft. I just published it, that is why it will be as draft. Then you change it, the names there, put your own name, do it the way you want it. Just let it, you see who we are. You write already, my name is here, my business website name is here. You know, just read through. Anything you want to change, you change, and you save it, update it. That is all. That is for the privacy policy page. Thank you very much for watching. We are done with installing a theme, we are done with installing a plugin, and we have also installed widget. Now In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a post, a page, and perhaps a menu and other things. So stay cool and stay safe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.